Now we're going to talk about DVR. So with the DVR box, if you have multiple boxes in your house, the DVR is the main recording box, and you can watch recorded programs from any other set-top box in your house. So to access DVR, you have a recorded TV button. You can press that and that'll show you all of your recorded programs. So we don't have any scheduled now, so what we'll do is go into the guide and we will create a recording. So we'll go to BTES Corner, press OK. To record the episode, you can just press OK as it is now. There are other options in here, so if you want to stop at the scheduled end time, what we recommend for folks who like sports, especially NASCAR races or football games or baseball that may go long, you can come in and optionally add additional time to that, and that way it'll catch if there's a rain delay or in a sporting event or anything like that. That's a really good function to have. And then you can choose to keep until space needed or keep until you erase. If you leave it on keep until space needed, if your drive begins to fill up, it'll begin erasing the oldest programs first. So we'll leave that as it is, and we'll say record. So now that is set to record. Now if you want to record a series, say you want to record the series for Tennessee Uncharted, you can do the same, go to series, record series, and you can have it pick any day, any day around the time block that it's currently on, or you can have it record any day, any time. If you want to have first run and reruns or just first run only. And again, you can do the same with the scheduled end time and whether to keep all episodes. So now record that. If you're in the guide and you see a show you want to record, you can also do a quick recording by pressing just the record button, and that'll record that one episode. If you decide you want to record the series for that, you can press it a second time and you'll notice the 3 red dots. That means it's now recording the series. And it'll record that with the default options for the series. So it'll record any day around 5 o'clock, first run and rerun. If you wish to cancel a series, you select cancel series, and then that'll cancel that series. And when you're done, you can press exit to TV.